In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam client issue where downloads seem stuck at 0 bytes. It can be frustrating when you're all set to start a new game, but the installation won't even begin. Fortunately, this fix is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. First things first, let's get started by opening your Steam app. This is something you're likely familiar with, and you probably have it pinned on your desktop or start menu, making access quick and hassle-free. Once the app is open, head over to the login area. Clicking this will prompt you to input your account information if you're not already signed in. Enter your account name and password carefully to ensure you don't hit any login snags. Remember, it's always best to double check your spelling and caps lock status, or use a password manager if necessary. After entering your credentials, click on Sign In. You should find yourself on the Steam homepage. Now direct your attention to the top menu. Locate and click on Steam, which usually sits in the upper left corner of your app. A drop-down menu will appear, your gateway to a variety of settings and configurations. From here, select Settings. This is a crucial step as it allows you to access and modify how Steam interacts with your computer. Under the Settings menu, you'll find several options. What you want to look for is Downloads. Click on that and you will be greeted with a range of download-related settings. This section is particularly important for resolving issues related to download speed and stability. Look for the option that says Clear Download Cache, click on it. This action will prompt a pop-up that tells you Steam needs to restart for the changes to take effect. Clearing the cache often resolves issues where partial downloads or corrupted files are causing problems. In addition to clearing the cache, it's vital to ensure that your internet connection is stable. Double check your router and if possible use a wired connection for the duration of your Steam activities. An unstable or slow internet connection is one of the most common culprits behind Steam download issues. Once Steam restarts, go back to your downloads and see if the problem is resolved. In most cases, following these steps should get your downloads moving and your games up and running in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this quick fix helps you jump back into the action without any further hitches.